Peppa Pig, let the hair corner. Say, do so out and live. Me and my daughter on YouTube. It's so we have energy. Daddy love real. You see me? So baby happy beside her daddy. Share and subscribe to our channel. Subscribe. Oh, enough people are talking about say yo, them not rate pretty done, you know. Man rate pretty done, you know. Hey, one thing, you know. Every time I watch a video for pretty done, me I tell you that girl, her energy, her vibes, her potential, yo, me love everything where she are going with. Big up yourself, pretty done, you hear that? None of them like you know, pretty done, but here, now watch that, because here I go on. You dead there, you know, you dead on the top, you know, pretty done. You see it? Man, rate your levels and rate your, you see me? And keep the thing going at all time. Anytime I feel bored and stressed out and bathing, you see me pretty done? You always keep the energy up and running. And man, love how you do the hard work and I put out the hard work, you see me? I just fun, you know. And I like say, yo, a violence here dealing and them thing, they are just fun. And man, rate your channel. Man, rate everything where you do. You say it pretty done. Big up yourself, man. A skunkhead as Riri Star said that from Grandspan, you see it? But here I go on. Don't know if you hear me there go and hold it in a pretty done. You see it? Big up New York. Big up the one them in Brooklyn. That are still New York. You see me? One New York. Big up Queens. Brooklyn. The whole of the place them. You see me? Long Island and the whole of them place how the dog them dead to. You see it? Yeah, man. Man love energy, you know. You see me? At the same time, too, you know, big up yourself out there in a mackerel, because you don't know we love how you go on to, you know. You see it? We love your local vibes and your mood and thing. Duh! Big up yourself, mackerel. You see it? Come look, baby. Come. Come tell pretty. Say pretty Dan. Hi. Say hi, pretty Dan. Say hi, pretty Dan. Big up pretty Dan. Because we have to always big her up, you know. You see it? Up pretty Dan. We love the energy and the focus you there, but you see it? Anytime I'm bored and I have nothing to do, you know, man. A pretty Dan channel, I go up and still, you know, man. Right through the channel, I'll be laughing, you know, man. Happiness, you know, man. You see me? Man just love how she love talk to. One thing she not afraid to talk. And she not take back her word them either. Pretty Dan up. I'm out. Matter of fact, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You see me? YouTube channel. Real star, you see it? So like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Energy we are dealing with, you see it? Up, pretty done, out.